Guys, let's take a quick look here at Sushiswap. Today it's one of the better performers, oddly enough. It's up about 12%. Now, sushi, I would say I have a mid-sized bag of this. I'm not overly bullish on Sushiswap. I did buy Sushiswap very early on when I started to DCA, and I still think it's going to be a good project to hold. Now, anyways, guys, you can see that it is dealing with a weekly resistance right here at the moment, and that weekly resistance sits at about 62.6 cents. Now, SushiSwap is about 63 cents. So let's see if this can hold. This is the daily time frame that we're looking at right at the moment. So if we can close that candle in about the next 3.5 hours, that will be a good start. But to get really bullish on SushiSwap, I mean, it's hard to get really bullish on SushiSwap because it's just been down so much. Now, if we want to get really bullish, I think about $1.40 is where we're going to have to surge up to. Now, basically, that means we have to double from where we're at right now. And yeah, we just need to get above pretty much all this trading, and I will be more bullish on SushiSwap. So yeah, guys, I mean, it's having a good day, but you can see this is pretty much the bottom of the Fibonacci where SushiSwap is right now. So not good, guys, I can say. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, having a much better day, sitting at about 56.9. Now, we are coming up to the top of the Fibonacci, and we are coming up to this trend line. And that's about $600 away, so it's very possible in the next 3.5 hours that we can surge up and break back into this, trend line. And you can see that in the past, we didn't spend too much time out of it. Now, we only spent, I don't know when we broke out of it here, but we can just count this as a day. So basically, 3 days we spent out, and then the fourth day we surged back up into the trend line. So yeah, this is the longest we have spent now outside of this trend line. Not good, but it looks like we're going to try to either get back in tonight or tomorrow, but definitely I think by Wednesday, because on Wednesday we do have CPI numbers, and if they're in our favor, definitely that trend line will be taken out. And on Thursday, we have jobless claims and we have PPI. So very important numbers here. And yeah, guys, I mean, we do have also Michigan numbers on Friday, but not so important like, Thursday with PPI and jobless claims and CPI on Wednesday. So keep that in mind. Now, those numbers will play a role in the interest rate cuts. Now, if we take a look here, yeah, this is for March, but if we look at September, 71% believe in a quarter-point cut, 29% still believe in a half-point cut. I have always been in the camp 25 for September, 25 for November, 25 for December. January, I believe it could be a skip or we'll be here. But the reason I say skip is because we don't have a meeting in February, and maybe they want to reevaluate and, take a larger cut in March. So, but as you can see, March, they still expect cuts, about 35% expect to be at 3.5 to 3.75, with basis points there. So anyways, guys, that's what that looks like at the moment. Now, the crypto fear and greed, we are sitting at 29 today. Now, we did come up from yesterday. Yesterday was 23, but of course, Bitcoin went up yesterday over the weekend. And so, yeah, I don't think there's really too much to fear here, guys. I still think we're in the bull run. I just think we took a 6-month break because we were surging so quickly. And this is just one giant consolidation. So anyways, guys, let's take a look here at the crypto bubbles. Now, I was looking at this in another video. That's why it's on 200 to 300, but you can see everything is green. If I go back to the 100 to 200 coins, then yeah, everything is green pretty much. And if you look at the top 100 coins, yeah, guys, everything is green. There's very few projects like this one, which is red, or this one, which is red. I mean, and this one, which is red. But, the better projects you're going to see them surge up more, like Aave or Phantom, Fetch AI, Near, Tau, OP. These are really good projects. So you're going to see them, really surge up more than the others, which are not so good. So keep that in mind if you're looking for good coins. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you with Sushi here. And it has pulled back slightly, but let's just see if we can close basically at 63 cents. That would be nice to see. And like I said, $1.40 is the target to get really, really bullish on Sushiswap. So until then, sushi is just, it's not doing well, guys. And like I said, I have a bag of it. So I'm not trying to FUD this, and I hope it does well. So yeah, that's all I got for you on sushi and Bitcoin at the moment. Getting a small pullback still here, but today is still a good candle, guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.